Hello guys, and welcome back once again to my channel. The name is always GH Fame. In today's episode, we are going to be looking at the total cost of putting up a normal 3-bedroom house from ground foundation works to lintel stage. This is the early stage of starting your building project, and it involves a lot of technicalities. The foundation stage is the most crucial aspect in putting up a structure, which means any aspect should be handled by professionals. If your building is going to stay solid, it starts from the ground foundation to the oversight concrete. In this video, I'll be giving you the complete cost that will guide you to put up a simple 3-bedroom ground floor house. This estimate is the substructure works. It does not include any finishing process. Without wasting much time, let's get straight into it. With the cost of the foundation, first thing you need to do is the digging. And roughly, digging a foundation can cost approximately 5,000 Ghana cedis when using an excavator and 4,000 Ghana cedis when using manpower. Advantage of the excavator is to speed up the digging process, unlike the manpower. But yet still, many Ghanaians prefer digging with manpower. In that case, our digging is going to cost us 4,000 Ghana cedis. After the digging, the mason will start the blinding process, which is the lean concrete casting. This is usually a thin layer of concrete which is poured at the bottom. This keeps the foundation concrete clean from the soil and improves the bonding. This aspect can cost about 2,000 Ghana cedis for the mason and the laborer's workmanship for the concrete casting, and about 20 bags of cement, which will cost you 2,300 Ghana cedis. So the total for this phase will be 4,300 Ghana cedis. Please kindly use the 42.5 ounce super strong for the foundation. After this process, then comes settling your columns and your mats or mesh. This is the reinforcement process whereby the columns are attached to the mats in the lean concrete. And during this stage, the column settings should be taken serious in order to avoid improper positioning. So in this stage, you will need about 1 ton of 16 mm for both the columns and the mat, which costs 7,200 Ghana cedis per ton. You will need about 20 pieces of 3/4 rod for the rings, which will cost you 700 Ghana cedis, and 1 coil of banding wire for 60 Ghana cedis. So the total cost of materials at this stage will be 7,960 Ghana cedis, and the workmanship of the steel bender can cost 1,000 Ghana cedis. So the total of the reinforcement settling at this stage will cost you 8,916 Ghana cedis. After this stage, then comes the second casting of the foundation, which is similar to the blinding process in stage 2. Here, the concrete will be thicker than that of stage 2, which will be casted together with the columns. For this, you will need about 30 bags of cement, which will cost you 3,150 Ghana cedis, and the workmanship for the mason and the labor work will cost you 2,000 Ghana cedis, making a total of 5,150 Ghana cedis. Note that this is a long span foundation, so do not skip any process. After this stage, you will start the block work for your foundation to your footings level. You will need about 500 pieces of 6 inches solid blocks, depending on the height you want. Whether you are building on a sloping land or flat surface, this will tell how high the footings will be. The blocks purchased will cost you 4,000 Ghana cedis, which is 8 cedis per block. You will need about 15 bags of cement for the block laying, which will cost you 1,575 Ghana cedis. The Super Cement 42.5 hour cost 105 Ghana cedis. The workmanship of the mason and the laborer is going to be 2,450 Ghana cedis, making a total of 8,025 Ghana cedis. After this stage comes the filling of the footings. This is where you need laterite to fill up the foundation before compacting. In this aspect, you will need about 3 trips of laterite, which a trip costs 1,500 Ghana cedis. So the total will be about 4,500 Ghana cedis. After that, then you compact the soil, which is also going to cost you about 1,000 Ghana cedis for both the compactor machine and the operator. So in this aspect, you will spend about 5,500 Ghana cedis. After the compacting comes your plumbing works for phase 1. For this aspect, it doesn't cost much. You will need not many pipes depending on your plumbing specs. So approximately, it can cost you around 3,000 Ghana cedis for the materials and 1,500 Ghana cedis for the workmanship. So the total for this phase can be at 4,500 Ghana cedis. After that, you can place a reinforcement beam on top of your foundation block line. I did mine that way so that the blockwork will be sitting on the rust after the oversight concrete casting. This makes the building more solid. I know about 5% of the people do this, but I would advise you also do same. Before placing the beam, don't forget your DPM rubber. Your DPM should come before the beam. You can use FET if you want to. The cost of placing beam on top of your foundation can cost you around 5,000 Ghana cedis including labor. Mine cost me 3,100 Ghana cedis in 2022. So in 2026 and beyond, it should not be less than 5,000 Ghana cedis including workmanship. After this stage, the carpenters will come and cover and shape the foundation area. You will need about 20 pieces of cyber boards, which a single sells at 120 Ghana cedis in 2025. So the total will be 2,400 Ghana cedis, and the workmanship of the carpenter will cost 500 Ghana cedis. This is just a daily work. So the total for this phase will cost 2,900 Ghana cedis. The last phase is the oversight concrete casting. At this stage, the thickness is going to depend on your project plan. For mine, I used 120 bags of cement for my oversight concrete casting, and the thickness was more than 10 inches. This was due to sloppiness and poor formal labor skills. So let's say for a normal 3-bedroom, a well-done oversight concrete would need about 100 bags of cement with thickness about 6 to 7 inches. So you should make the concrete rich. Do not cry over the cement, cause this stage is very crucial. A bag of 42.5 R super strong sells at 115 Ghana cedis in 2025, which for the 100 bags will cost you 11,500 Ghana cedis. And the labor work together with the concrete mixer and the operator will cost you about 3,000 Ghana cedis. This is a groundwork, so it's not expensive like casting a decking. So this will give a total cost of 14,500 Ghana cedis for this stage. Adding all together will give a sum total of 57,835 Ghana cedis. So by completing a foundation for a normal simple 3-bedroom house from scratch will cost you about 60,000 Ghana cedis in 2026. Kindly note that this is just a rough estimate. It can cost more than that or less than that, but this should be your budget cause it's scratch startup project. After the oversight concrete casting, you have to leave it to breathe for about 30 days. So after 30 days, you can then start your block work. For the laying of the blockwork from the foundation to the lintel stage, you will need about 2,100 pieces of 6 inches solid blocks, making a total of 16,800 Ghana cedis. 50 bags of cement, which is going to cost you 5,250 Ghana cedis. Labor workmanship for laying 2,100 blocks will cost you 9,450 Ghana cedis. Let's exclude sand and stones because we already know that you cannot build without sand and stones. You will need about 20 bags of cement for the column casting, which is going to cost you 2,300 Ghana cedis. You will need 1 ton of 16 mm for your continual pillars, which also cost 7,200 Ghana cedis. 20 pieces of 3/4 rod for 700 Ghana cedis. Binding wire for 60 Ghana cedis. Workmanship of the steel bender will be 1,500 Ghana cedis. You will need 20 pieces of cyber board for the wood column casting. At this stage, you can use the board for the foundation casting. so we can skip this cost. Workmanship for the carpenter for the columns will be 1,500 Ghana cedis, making a total of 44,760 Ghana cedis. So by completing your Blockwork superstructure from foundation to lintel stage, you will spend about 44,760 Ghana cedis for a normal simple 3-bedroom house. Mine cost me 34,050 Ghana cedis in 2022 for raising the Blockwork to the lintel stage. So in 2026 and beyond, you should budget not less than 45,000 Ghana cedis if your design is very simple like mine. Adding the foundation cost and the blockwork to lintel stage will give a total cost of 102,595 Ghana cedis. So, by starting from scratch, you should not spend less than 100,000 Ghana cedis to reach the lintel stage. So, with this amount, you can raise a normal 3-bedroom house superstructure. If I'm to add rough estimate for roofing, let's say a hidden roofing, it can cost about 50,000 Ghana cedis to roof this 3-bedroom house. So when you combine everything together from foundation to blockwork to roofing, you should spend around 152,595 Ghana cedis. Let's run it up to 160,000 Ghana cedis. So guys, if you are having roughly amount of 160,000 Ghana cedis, you can raise a normal 3-bedroom superstructure from foundation to roofing stage. But for a starter, you should always budget more because there is going to be miscellaneous, which is the petty extra cost. So at least a budget of 200,000 Ghana cedis should start up something for you. So guys, that's all about it today. I hope this video helps. Share your ideas and thoughts in the comment section. The name is always GH Fame, and I'll see you in the next episode. Enjoy the rest of the video.